No Corona Zanzibar.
Today we're in Baraka Aquarium. North of Zanzibar is Nungwi. So you're gonna be with me, Devon.
And we have here
My name is Al-Masai.
Age.
35 years.
address,
Total.
occupation.
Driver taxi.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new in my channel, I'm Kim from the Philippines, and now we're here in Zanzibar. See how big is it? See. They're going to come to you, but just be very careful because they bit my butt. My gosh, it hurts. They look cute, but when they try to snap, my gosh. There's no snake. I cannot see anything.
This one. Yeah, there.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there is. It can just jump on your right.
Like this. So we are Nungwi, north of Zanzibar. We just want to drink coconuts.
Yes. Thank you.
Did anybody bite you today?
Yeah, a turtle. It's here. Oh, see? Can you see? We just took a shower somewhere, so D just looked for a shower for us. So we're very blessed because we found one. That's how I changed to a long gown. And now we're here at Baraka Beach Restaurant. We ordered mixed seafood curry and mixed seafood grill. So I'm very excited because I'm super hungry. I really didn't eat for the whole day. Actually, I ate only pumpkin bread, but other than that, I didn't eat anything. That's why I'm so excited to eat. So let's go.
So yours is so much bigger and nicer.
Thank you.
Let me take you to Africa right now. Let's go. My people from Nigeria, make some noise. My people from Kenya.
No social distancing, no COVID. Go to Zanzibar, Tanzania.
This party sucks.
Day 2 here in Zanzibar. Yesterday, I didn't get a lot of videos. New way to celebrate New Year. People here in Zanzibar, they're so lilo. Like, they're so chill. Ali and Dee, they were with us last night at Kendwa Beach. Like, there's a lot of people. It was like jam-packed, and getting alcohol is very hard. And getting a space where to sit, that's why I was just like lying down on the beach and waiting for Ali and Dee to find me. I'll just check what to do today, and that's it.
And they even said some buildings, they even start with the door and then they build the building around it. So you'll see a lot of them very pretty.
Tanzanite is the blue and violet variety of the mineral zoisite and can only be found in Tanzania in a very small mining area near the Mercury Hills.
So guys, we're here at Lazuli Cafe. It's one of the recommended or one of the highest marked restaurant. They have like beverages, juices. They don't have alcohol, but they also have like seafood platter and snapper, and they also have sandwiches and burgers. So since we're here and the seafood here is very cheap, so we're going to eat again seafood. So let's go inside. Now we're here at Freddie Mercury Museum. So it's still here at the Stone Town. For adults, it's $8 and for children, it's $6. So let's go. It's one of the recommended places to go here in Stone Town. So let's go. And we are now at Park Hyatt Hotel here in Zanzibar. And as you can see, we're at the beachfront and we're just going to have some snacks with cheese platter. And because I'm upgrading myself, I'm going to have a cocktail, which is a planter's punch. After walking a lot at Stone Town, my gosh, we were so tired and dusty. I think my nostrils now is full of booger with dust, but it's fun. The view here is so nice. Nice place to relax. Hello guys, so now we're here in night market here at the Stone Town. So there's a lot of vendors and they're wearing this very cute chef hat. They really believe that they're chefs. So we're going to try the Zanzibar pizza and the chicken chip shawarma. So let's go.
Chicken flesh, liver cow, beef cow, scallop.
Look at this banana.
Small banana.
Oh my god.
So now we're going to a cave.
How are you?
Very good.
I'm JUMA.
Joma.
Yeah,
Sir
nice to
Joma.
meet you.
Hello.
Good.
Okay. I can go in?
Yeah, you are welcome.
Where are we right now?
Kuza Cave.
Kuza Cave. Ah, Kuza Cave. When we arrived, there's like super few people. Like there's only 3 of us or 4 of us. But after a few minutes, a crowd came. I'm so blessed to have a good photo before they came. But the water is so refreshing. Like it's a must visit here in Jambiani.
He's been very patient. And this is what we need to go through just to get inside the cave. Oh my goodness. Imagine it's like my second day of my monthly visit. Actually, I paid 20,000 Tanzanian shilling. And yeah, they have toilets here. So if you want to change, you can change.
This is their toilet here where you can change your clothes. So this is how it will look like. You have a little shower here. There, a shower. A piece of cloth here. That's it.
Madui wamenizidi pesa na umri na shanga, sijui au tuseme nina kiburia, nakata hawanidai siwadai, ila na shanga wananichukia.
So guys, now we're at Paje Beach. He's asking me a while ago if I knew how to fly a kite. I didn't know that this is the kite that he's talking about. It's so big. In the Philippines, our kite is like a diamond kite, not like this kite.
So we're here at the rock. We're going to have dinner. So as you can see, if it's like high tide, there will be a boat that is going to take you
There. He's waiting. I told him to wait there because he needs to take a photo of me. We ordered the rock special, and since no alcohol, I forgot what is this, but it's a virgin drink. Like 5 in the morning was my last meal, so I'm really starving right now. Here it is. I'm not sure how to eat it all, but this is the rock that's worth $60 something. I'm very sure I'm going to take away the rest. Just for you to know, I get here because you need to have an appointment, and that's it. That's it. Good morning, guys! Now we're going to have breakfast buffet at Hotel Verde. I think we're not going out today because we're going home tonight and we just maybe want to stay at the hotel. Let's eat breakfast! Just lounging by the pool, making the most out of it. The weather is so nice and the view is so nice also. It's just buildings but it's so pretty. A quick room tour for you guys. This is the first bedroom, and as you can see, the living area is very big with a television and couches, and we also have a balcony here which will give you a very beautiful view of the pool, the beach, and the port. There's also swing outside, and that's the dining area over there. We also have a sink, a microwave, and a fridge, as you can see. And now we're going to the master's bedroom. Yes, I have 2 rooms, and there's another porch and television, and now we're going to the bathroom. I have 2 sinks and a bathtub. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's my room. So guys, that's our Zanzibar vlog. I hope you love it because I enjoyed it so much. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell for notifications. See you soon on my future travel vlogs. Bye!